Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can move application from internal storage to SD card on Android phone. Okay, first of all, we need to open our settings application, and after we have opened the settings application, we have to go to the app setting, this one. Okay, and just remember guys that not all the application can be moved to SD card, and the application which can be moved to SD card or applications such as Instagram, Telegram, and CapCut. So you have to check it first before you move the application to SD card. I'm going to move the Instagram application, for example. So we can click on the Instagram, and here after the Instagram application has been opened, we can go to the storage option. Okay, and if you want to move the application to your SD card, you can change the storage location. Just click on the change, and you have to select SD card since you want to move application to SD card. And here I have moved my Instagram application to my SD card. And I guess that's how we can move application from internal storage to SD card. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.